Great things happen when you ask why. Why do we do what we do? Why do we get up every morning to come to work? And why, 25 years later, project after project after project, do we keep going? The answer? It's simple. At Designetics, it's not just some plastic parts or some machines. It's not about our process or experience, or even our products. What keeps us going is you. Your company, your process, making you more efficient, saving you money, solving your problems. So while we've pioneered an industry, built a team of the best engineers and leaders around, created application systems for thousands of companies all around the world, none of it would mean anything if you didn't get exactly what you need. Everything we do is to make your process more precise, repeatable, and safe, so you can be the best you can be.